Good morning, traders, and welcome to the daily call today, Thursday, the 21st of March. Before we get started, as always, please understand that any advice in today's session is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Okay, let's have a look at what's happened yesterday. We had data coming out from the UK. We saw the CPI number coming at 1.9%. That was better than the forecast of 1.8, and that keeps the inflation level just under the 2% target for the UK. So all in all, is not a terrible news on that front from London. The major news, of course, happened this morning as we predicted yesterday. It was the FOMC statement, rates decision. Well, the Fed Reserve sounded more dovish than expected in their statement. Interest rates remain unchanged, and for now, what this means is that the median forecast for 2019 anticipates no rate hikes, but one for next year. Naturally, investors reacted accordingly to this news, and the US dollar dropped against all the majors, with our own Aussie US dollar pushing up to 71.20. So not a great day for the US dollar. I think we hit weekly lows for US yen pairs. Okay, that was all that's happened yesterday. Time to have a look at our chart of the day. The chart, incidentally, yesterday's Euro USD, as a result of that FOMC statement, Euro USD jumped up, so it spoiled the trade for us, which means we did not trigger, so nothing happened. Okay, so the chart that I found for us this morning is the Kiwi USD. That same news that spoiled our Euro USD caused this candle to push up and complete a really nice converging triangle. So we have reached the zone. So what I'm waiting for today is I would like the candle which forms today, which is just about to start, to lock in that price action reversal pattern that we're looking for. And once we have that, as long as it happens inside that hot zone, that's okay. The second thing that I want you to note is once we do get the setup, make sure that we have enough room to reach our target, our T1 target. Otherwise, if there's not, and what I mean by that is, let's just say that the combination ends here where my cursor is. I want to make sure that I hit my target before I get to this line here, all right, because this line is possibly a support line, so I would like to hit my target in here before I get to the line. So that's what I mean by make sure there's enough room to reach your target. Okay, if we get all those things, this is a one that we'll definitely go ahead on, so make sure that you watch it. It's on our hot list. Kiwi US dollar daily time frame is our chart of the day. Alright, what's on the card for the session which is about to kick off? It is actually quite a busy session. Starting off with just by the time you see this news may have already happened. It's about to go off in about 10 minutes at the time that I'm speaking from New Zealand. GDP numbers, 8:45 this morning. 11:30 this morning locally from Australia. We have the unemployment rate and the employment change numbers. From the UK at 8:30 we have retail sales due. Also throughout the day from Europe we have the EU Economic Summit taking place, and then probably the most important one for the session at 11 o'clock tonight we have from the UK their interest rates decision, the official bank vote, and the monetary policy statement. So look out for that one. It could be a volatile night for the GBP. Add anything to come out of this economic summit which may relate to Brexit, and it's got all the ingredients for volatility for the GBP, so look out for that. That pretty much wraps up that session, guys. As always, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. Follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, hope you'll have a fantastic trading day. I'll talk to you tomorrow for the daily call. Bye for now.